Now the next topic is population growth curve. Population growth curve. Again, the one of the most important topic. As we know, we have two type of growth curve. One is a J shape growth curve, and J shape growth curve is also known as exponential growth curve. Exponential growth curve, right? And second, we have S shape growth curve, which is also known as sigmoid or logistic growth curve. Right? So these are the two type of the growth curves that indicate the growth of population in the area. Let us start with the first one, that is called, this is for the J shape, right? In the J shape, this one represents the time के टाइम के साथ पॉपुलेशन का साइज बढ़ेगा या कम होगा, एंड दिस इज द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी. population density, right beta? So as we know, as the name suggests, J shape. So this is the J shaped growth curve, and this one is the K, or you can also write it down that carrying capacity. Now let us start to discuss. In the J-shaped growth curve, beta, the population grow exponentially. It means that here the earlier growth of the population is slow, right? This phase is called lag, and next one is called log, where the growth is very rapid, right? Rapid growth, and here is the slow. Now the reason, what is the reason for this rapid growth? Because in case of the J-shaped growth curve, exponential growth curve, the availability of plenty of food, okay, and space. Keep in mind, in case of a J-shaped growth curve, there is a plenty of food and space. जब वहां पे बेटा फूड और खाना बहुत ज्यादा होगा, तो वहां पे ग्रोथ ऑफ पॉपुलेशन मैक्सिमम होगी. यहाँ पे लिख लेना, द अनलिमिटेड ग्रोथ टेक्स प्लेस. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना तो फूड खत्म होगा, ना तो स्पेस खत्म होगा. Unlimited number of individuals can survive in this area. This is called the J-shape or exponential growth curve, right? Now, after this, we have the second growth curve. In the second growth curve, there is S-shape growth curve, which is also called sigmoid or logistic growth curve. And here the growth is like in this way. This one is the lag. This is called log, and the third phase is called where the no growth is called saturation point, right, or equilibrium phase. So in the S-shaped growth curve, we have three phases: lag, log, saturation point, or the equilibrium phase. Now what happened in this case, here you will see the growth is very slow in the earlier phase, then it rapidly increase and then it becomes steadily constant. Now what is the reason? बेटा इसका रीजन ये है, पिछले में पढ़ा था जे शेप में कि वहां पे फूड और स्पेस अनलिमिटेड है, बट यहाँ पे फूड एंड स्पेस इज लिमिटेड। पिछले में लिमिटेड था, यहाँ पे लिमिटेड है, मतलब कम है। तो इट मीन्स कि जैसे ही वो कैरिंग कैपेसिटी होती है किसी एरिया की, टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल को कैरी करने की कैपेसिटी, ठीक है, मान लो ये रूम है, इस कमरे में 50 बंदे आ सकते हैं, तो स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत जल्दी, बट जैसे सैचुरेशन आ गई, मतलब 50 बंदे आ गए, उसके बाद बड़ी मुश्किल से धक्की मुक्की से 1 2 5 10 आ सकते हैं। इट मींस कि आफ्टर द लॉग फेज वहां पे जो ग्रोथ होती है वो कांस्टेंट हो जाती है, और ऑलमोस्ट वो कांस्टेंट हो जाती है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस ग्रोथ कर्व इज कॉल्ड लॉजिस्टिक ग्रोथ कर्व या सिग्मॉइड ग्रोथ कर्व। क्लिक कर दो।